Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance A320neo's grounded, Emirates updates and IndiGo 787 news. The aviation industry is facing turbulence with Airbus A320neo groundings due to Pratt Whitney engine issues impacting airlines globally. IndiGo, India's largest airline, is among the hardest hit, adjusting operations to minimize disruptions. Meanwhile, Emirates is expanding its fleet with additional Boeing 707X orders and rolling out premium economy on more routes. IndiGo is also progressing with its Boeing 787 Dreamliner plans, signaling a shift towards long-haul operations. These developments highlight key challenges and strategic shifts in global aviation. 1. A320neo. Groundings impact airlines worldwide. The ongoing issues with Pratt & Whitney's GTF engines have led to a fresh wave of Airbus A320neo groundings, affecting airlines globally. Carriers in India, Europe, and North America are struggling to maintain schedules as aircraft undergo urgent inspections and repairs. 2. IndiGo faces significant disruptions. India's largest airline, IndiGo, has been severely affected by the A320neo engine issues, with dozens of aircraft grounded. The airline is exploring leasing options and adjusting schedules to mitigate passenger disruptions. 3. Emirates expands fleet with more Boeing 707X orders. Emirates, one of the world's largest long-haul carriers, has confirmed additional Boeing 707X orders, reinforcing its commitment to the next-generation aircraft. The airline aims to modernize its fleet and replace older aircraft while maintaining operational efficiency. 4. Emirates introduces premium economy on more routes. With rising demand for premium travel, Emirates is expanding its premium economy offering to new destinations. The airline has received positive feedback on the product and is gradually rolling it out across its Airbus A380 and Boeing 777 fleet. 5. IndiGo's Dreamliner plans move forward. IndiGo's much-anticipated order for Boeing 787 Dreamliners is progressing as the airline finalizes delivery timelines. The airline aims to use the wide-body aircraft for long-haul expansion, marking a significant shift in its business model. 6. Airbus and Pratt & Whitney's response. Both Airbus and Pratt & Whitney are working on solutions to address the engine reliability concerns. Airlines have been assured of expedited parts deliveries and compensation measures to offset operational losses. 7. Market implications of A320neo groundings. The grounding of A320neos has led to capacity shortages in key markets, forcing airlines to lease older aircraft or reduce flight frequencies. This has resulted in higher airfares on affected routes. 8. Emirates fleet modernization strategy. Apart from new orders, Emirates is also retiring older Airbus A380s and Boeing 777s to streamline operations. The airline remains committed to maintaining a young and efficient fleet. 9. IndiGo's international expansion strategy. With the introduction of Boeing 787s, IndiGo is expected to expand its international network, potentially launching flights to Europe and North America. The airline is preparing for a shift from a predominantly domestic focus to a more balanced international portfolio. 10. Industry outlook. The aviation industry is facing multiple challenges, from supply chain disruptions to aircraft groundings. However, airlines are adapting with strategic fleet decisions and operational adjustments to navigate these turbulent times. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.